package, digital multimeter. This is our new package, including is the battery, candle. Where is battery included? This is AAA battery, candle, two AAA battery. Oops. Then this is the package. Habotest. It is compact. Habotest multimeter, digital multimeter. It has 5 functions: voltage, alternating, DC, ohms, resistance, continuity, and then the non-contact voltage, NCB. Habotest HT123 Smart, maximum 600 volts, that is the input. Let us put the battery. Okay, we have the manual. At the back we have the screw. To put the battery, we need the screwdriver. AAA. It's already on. Put back the plastic cover, then off, on, press and hold for the NCB, auto, and then for here we have the flashlight, backlight, flashlight, backlight, flashlight, press and hold. For the connection of the cable, there we have the probe, for the red. So there is a protector. Let us place this input cable, probe, the protector. Then there is no stand at the back. Oh, really? It is just a plain flat, for the flat surface. There is no stand. Let us test the continuity here by short circuiting the probe. And then how about the NCB? So this is 220. Now it is on. So it detects when I off the switch, it does no, it cannot detect anything. So it detects NCB. Putting it back to auto mode for, let us now test the 220 volts AC. Okay, can we do that? Let's do it. So you can see here, it automatically detects 220. 235 volts, 235.7 volts AC. From putting it the outlet AC. How about we did not press anything because this is automatic. This one, voltage DC. Let us get the battery. Now we have this Everready Gold AA battery. We are expecting at 1.5 volts. This battery is 1.5 volts. If we test this, because there is no stand at the back, let us test the battery. We are expecting 3 volts, 1.5 volts. So it is 1.618 volts DC. Again. Positive to negative. 1.617. 1.617 volts DC. So it automatically detecting automatic detection of DC voltage. How about this ohms resistance? Let us get a resistor. Okay, this is the resistor. What happened here? Okay, we need one resistor to test. How about this one? 500 ohms. 500 ohms is green, brown with tolerance. Let us this is, we're expecting 500 ohms. Let's do, we're getting 0.47 0.487 K. So 487. Now it's 508 K. 0.5006 K. It means it is 500 ohms equivalent. Okay, so it detects resistor. How about this one? Continuity. So this tester is good for beginner or for basic measuring device. So we already knew how to measure the voltage, AC, then the direct current, battery, and then the resistor, and then the continuity, and then the non-contact voltage testing. We have to press here, NCB. So this is our new gadget. It is it's okay. It is small size, compact, good for measuring the any device or the voltage and the resistance.